Hello from tajmotormedics. I've got a Hyundai i20 here on a 13 plate, 14 plate basically, 2013, 2014. Just doing the main dip bulb on the driver's side front. It is a simple job. I'm just going to show you which one it is. If you turn the lights on, please, ignition on, lights on. As you can see, that there is working. And then this one here isn't. Lights off. Thank you. Now to do it, it is, like I said, it is a simple procedure. So you got to remove this cover. Once you remove this cover, all you got to remember is this seal here. Make sure this seal's intact. On the inside there, that's the bulb we're replacing. So let me get a better angle. So you got the little spring there. So what I need to do is I need to unplug it first. So once I've unplugged it, so what I do, wiggle. That's it, plugs out. Now you can see that spring there. So what I do is I push the spring down. But before I do that, if you see the way the bulb is located, that's the way the new bulb is going to go in as well. So the pin locator on the H7 is on the top. Now the H7 link, there'll be a link in the description if you did want one. So you can get one from there. Also, if you did find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Here we go. And there's a special thanks button as well if you did save money on this. That's the new one right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the new one on. Pin locator on the top. Get the spring out of the way. Yep. There we go. Nope. Yep. So once it's located, then you bring the spring down and then you reconnect it. That's it. That's now connected. So we're going to put the plug back on. That's it. And then I'll just put the cover back on. That's it. And now we're going to check. Go on then. There we go. That's working now. Now that's all it is on this particular model. If you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. There's a special thanks button as well. Don't forget to click on that. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.